Reject Vatican II?
Do I reject Vatican II?
Yeah.
No, I don't reject Vatican II because it's
Okay. Then there's no public revelation. Then there's no public revelation.
Public
Because
relations
that's what it
continues to
explicitly
this day,
says.
dude.
Vatican II.
I reject your premise of it. Yes.
No, it's not my
Absolutely,
premise of it. It's just what it
100%.
says.
Wait,
Okay, we're
No,
going
you
around
just
in
reject
circles.
what it says.
No. Vatican
We're
II.
going around in circles,
Vatican I and Vatican II. Vatican II reiterates it, but in Vatican I and Vatican II both, they indicate that public revelation ceased with the death of the last apostle John. Are you saying you don't believe that?
Public revelation in Scripture. First of all, I need to go back to know exactly. And
What is the
I
deposit
appreciate
of
you
faith?
guys.
What is
You
the
guys are
deposit
trying
of
to
faith
teach
in the-
me.
No. What is the deposit
No,
of
no,
faith
no,
in the
no,
Catholic
no,
Church?
no. I would have to get back to you because I'm not going to study that and bring that up right now.
Are you a Catholic?
Well,
Absolutely.
This is very relevant.
So this is
Yeah,
like,
and I can
this
get
is-
back
this
to you,
is-
but if you
wait.
want it off the top of my head.
Well, we're just asking you, look, very basic core Catholic
No,
teachings.
you're asking me something that's out of my,
These aren't
out of
no,
my
no.
wheelbase.
These aren't.
You know what the
nuanced.
beauty of it is that there's people way advanced than me. That
Do not
know
read
everything
Vatican
I'm
I
saying.
or II?
You've read
Look,
them,
I just
right?
defer.
Hey, Omar.
I defer to my communion of saints, the ones that know
Suggested
better than me.
that we know Catholic doctrine better than you? Because these are basic doctrines.
No, you don't. Because I reject your premise.
Obviously.
But, okay, so then, Aomer, what is the deposit of faith?
Dude,
In the
I'm
Catholic
not off the
Church,
top
what's the
of my
deposit
head.
of faith?
Okay, so I know that better than you. Okay,
Okay.
do you know what public revelation is?
You know, you guys are just shuffling.
Okay, Travis. The original point is Joseph Smith. He said, do I have to accept Joseph Smith to be saved? And I said, no. And he said, there you go. And so he's saying that we have to accept truth to be saved. And the Bible and the Word is all truth. And then we got into public revelation and all of that.
Okay, so we accept the Bible. So
Yeah, but I'm not gonna follow you on your shufflings
what shuffling?
because
No,
I need
no,
to,
we
because I'm
didn't
not gonna give you
shuffle.
the answer straight off of the top of my head. The beauty is I have.
Aomir, these are things. This would be like asking a Latter-day Saint, "What's the Book of Mormon?" and they don't know, or asking them, "Who is Joseph Smith?" and they don't know.
I could ask you what is the fifth line in the doctrine? What is the fifth chapter of your book of Nephi, and stuff like that? And you won't get, and you'd have to go straight to the book to find out, right?
The fifth chapter of
Whatever.
Nephi.
It's just a whatever,
Which Nephi?
No,
Which
it's not
Nephi?
even that particular.
whatever.
It's
I'm
not.
just
It's
saying
not.
the
No,
point.
no.
I
It
don't-
would be like
you
no,
don't have
no.
to.
It
You
would
don't
be
have
like
to go to that.
Aomir, this is like somebody saying, somebody
I'm
asking
not
a
trying
Latter-day
to
Saint.
shuffle.
This is like somebody asking a Latter-day Saint, "What's the Book of Mormon?" and they're like, "I don't know."
No, that's
What is the
that's
deposit of
idiotic.
faith? What is the deposit of faith
Aomer,
in the Catholic
I can
Church?
look
What
it
is
up
the
for you.
deposit of? Again, the deposit of faith. You don't know what it is,
No, I don't have to. That's the beauty.
and you don't know what public
I'm
revelation is.
Part of
No,
a.
that's-
I'm part of a
listen,
bigger
this is like-
of the
this is
original
like saying-
This is
institution.
foundational.
this is like
No. I'm
this
part
would
of the
be like
original
saying-
institution that has smarter
this would
people
be
than me
like
that covers it.
saying. This would be like saying.
Obviously, I hope
my
somebody's smarter
favorite
than you.
book is my favorite book is The Lord of the Rings, and not knowing who Frodo is.
Right.
The premise
You don't
is
have
idiotic.
to listen, Aomer. You can love Lord of the Rings. I love Lord of the Rings. I don't know what's in the 5th chapter of Lord of the Rings,
Yeah,
but I know who Frodo is. I know who Samwise Gamgee is. I know what the One Ring is. I know who Sauron is. I know who
your premise
Saruman
is
is.
wrong, though.
I know all of them though. You don't know.
Just so I'm clear,
Because you don't know
what
what Frodo
exactly.
is.
Listen, Aomir, what exactly is your point? So I can respond to it specifically, so you don't complain about it anymore. What exactly was your point?
My point is, I don't have to accept Joseph Smith as prophet to achieve salvation. That was my original point that I came in.
Okay. Do you believe that you have to
I
accept?
am required to accept truth.
Right.
You guys shuffled away by saying
Okay, no,
I
no.
don't know my
All
Catholic
right.
faith.
Wait. So
Now here's-
you listen. You said you don't have to accept Joseph Smith, but you have to accept truth. If it is true that Joseph Smith was a prophet, do you have to accept it?
If it is true, yes. But guess
Okay,
what?
then
so
yes.
if the Catholic
If it
is
is
true.
true,
One of us,
right? So if
one
it's
of us
true,
is truth. One of us,
right,
the other one
that's
has
the
to be
point.
false.
That's the reason why Latter-day Saints say that you have to accept Joseph Smith, because our claim is that he actually is a prophet. It's true that he was a prophet. And if it is true, you agree, you would have to accept that.
But if the Catholic,
Right.
if the
Just,
Catholic
I
Church
need you to
claims
answer my
truth,
question. Is
one
that
of us
true?
is wrong.
Is it correct
You're wrong.
that if it is true that Joseph Smith is a prophet, you would have to accept that?
If it is true, then the Catholic Church is false.
It doesn't
If
matter.
the Catholic
I'm
Church is
asking you,
false,
if it
then
is true,
then the Mormon
if
Church
it
is
is true,
false.
if it
That's
is
the
true,
dilemma.
no, it's not a
true.
dilemma.
That's not
We can
true.
talk about
No,
that
it's
in a
not.
second.
Not
No,
at all.
I need an answer.
Absolutely.
Wait, I need an answer to that point so that we can move on. If it is true,
If it is
that Joseph Smith is a prophet, would you have to accept it?
If it is true, yeah, I don't think so.
Okay, so even
don't
if it's
think I'd
true
have
that
to
Joseph
accept
Smith is a
it.
prophet, you still don't have to accept it.
No, because
Okay, all right. So you don't have to.
all the history and all the stuff.
So now you don't have to accept what is true to be saved.
I don't have to accept a false truth. Absolutely.
You see what I'm again?
I agree.
You see how you are listen.
There
you
is
are
no
doing,
truth.
Listen, Aomer, you are doing the very thing you just accused us of, which is avoiding the issue. You are running
Shuffling.
away from the claim. You stated
You're saying
first,
your question is if
first
it is
thing-
true,
the first
I
thing
have
you
to
stated,
accept it.
Yes, you already agreed to that proposition. I have to accept what's true. Okay, if it's true
I have
that Joseph
to,
Smith,
yes.
wait, if it's true that Joseph Smith is a prophet, do you have to accept it? And you said no.
Yeah, if. Yeah. If
Again,
anything is true, you have to accept it. Yes.
right, so if
you have to
Joseph Smith
accept
is a
truth.
prophet, you have to accept it. Correct?
No, because he's not a prophet.
Again, you see how what you're doing? Literally, you said I have to accept things
you're
that
making
are true.
you're throwing
No,
an if.
again,
You're-
it's not.
you're throwing
Look,
an if
I'm
in
not.
there, so
I'm
yeah.
not saying. Listen,
that he's not a
I
prophet.
am not saying that.
You tossed
I'm
an
not,
if.
I am not saying. I am not saying that Joseph Smith was or was not a prophet. That's not the point. The point is, you said you have to accept truth to be saved. So if it is true that Joseph Smith is a prophet, you have to accept it. Correct?
He has to be backed up by a lot.
It doesn't
to be,
matter.
To
Okay,
accept
that's what I'm
it.
saying. If it's true,
The premise,
if it's
the premise
backed
doesn't
up,
make any sense.
it does make sense.
premise
If
doesn't
it's
make sense.
true,
It does too.
he
It
claims
does
to be a
too.
prophet. If it's true that he's a prophet, then you would have to accept it because you have to accept all truth. Correct?
Yes. If
Okay,
I'll throw
thank
it back
you.
at you.
Okay, thank
Throw
you.
it back at you. If I'm a prophet, do you have? If it is true that I'm a prophet, will you accept it?
Yes.
Same thing.
Yes. See how
Okay.
quickly I answered? Because I'm not a hack.
Whatever, dude.
I'm not a
It is a hack.
disingenuous. I'm not a disingenuous hack. So I just immediately accepted a proposition predicated on things I'd already agreed to.
But you believe in a hack.
It doesn't
So,
matter.
yeah.
That's not the question. The question
Why
is
don't
not what
You
think
believe
that
in a
Jesus
hack.
is a
the
hack?
question. The question is
Why do you think
not.
Jesus is a hack?
The question is not. The question
Joseph
is not.
Smith was a
I'm
hack,
not.
so-
Listen. Again.
Walks like
see,
a duck, talks like a duck. What's the matter?
Look.
What's a hack?
The problem with it is
Joseph
you-
Smith is a hack.
What does that mean?
No, what
That
is
he's
a
a hack?
A fake, someone who,
That's
not what a hack
someone
is.
who is,
know what it
That's
is.
not what a hack is.
whatever, dude.
Whatever, dude.
Yes.
Whatever.
He needs to probably bail.
See ya, man.